slowing down. No outlet? No! Oh, come on! Seriously? You couldn't have noted that, like, you know, back at the beginning of the road? Oh my God. Hello boys and girls, this is Ted. How are you doing? And this is Ride with Ted. And here we are. Yes, we're out again on the Sportster. Me and Tuck are going out for a little cruise. Why am I on Tuck when I should be on Sugar? You may be asking yourself, because I did mention that what I was going to be doing is doing every other ride. However, as you recall from the last video, the forward-facing camera, this guy right here, was pointed a little bit too low. So what I have opted to do is I remounted the camera on the helmet, and there we go. I think we have a better view based by the testing that I did. It seemed to be okay. It seemed to be okay. I'm not sure, but it seemed to be okay. So I realize it's a little off center, but that's the best I can do. Anyway, you'll notice that, well, unfortunately, this camera, it died before I got out of my driveway, and I said, well, I'm not going to bother, you know, stopping, recharging it. But anyway, here I am out, and so what I'm doing today is, this is a little ride. This is a little exploratory ride. I just got off of work, so I'm going to do a little exploration, because my brother, Tim, since how he's moving down into this area, he had asked me to go check out a house for him. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go out and check out this house. And why not take the bike, right? It's part of buying a house. The things you have to do, the research, and all that kind of poo. And fortunately for him, I'm down here already, so I can do some stuff for him. It's a process. It is indeed a process. Oh my God. But first things first, I'm gonna have to stop and go get gas. Much like you saw in the last video, it's not going to be a long ride again, because it is after work, and of course, you know, things to do. I just realized something very stupid. Just realized. I just realized that I didn't put the chin strap on my helmet. So my helmet's just basically sitting on my head. In my anxiousness to get out on the road, I neglected to strap it up. It happens. It happens. Not often, but it happens. Now, do I have time to strap it up before the light turns green? We're going to find out. It's hard to do this with gloves on. It is very hard to do this with gloves on. And because I'm sitting at a traffic light and I'm the first in line, I can promise you that the traffic light will not find me. And I will not get the green. Oh, I did. And the helmet is strapped up. Go figure. It's a little miracle things that I can do sometimes. Going out to Go Gas. I go here because they have ethanol-free gasoline, which is what we like. This here is Main Street in the town of Charlotte, North Carolina. Not really a lot in this particular area. Coming up ahead here we have some things, you know, some restaurants and stuff like that, but it's not like your typical, what you want to call your typical town center, you know, like where you have a lot of buildings and shops and all around on a main street with, you know, buildings on both sides. It's just like, you know, the good old-fashioned town centers like we used to have many years ago. But this is nice. Wing and Fish Company, very good food. Never been to that Chinese restaurant. Been to the laundromat though. Zaxby's, never been there either. Not a fast food guy. Purple Onion Cafe right here. Haven't been there yet, although I do see a lot of bikes parked outside it once in a while. McDonald's. Sadly, I have been there. Like I said, I'm not a fast food guy, very much. So that was a coffee and breakfast with John from Loud Pipes podcast. Burger King, of course. Doopy-doo, doopy-doo, doopy-doo. Little Caesars Pizza. Well, got your Walgreens and your usual stores here in town. Of course, your Home Depots, your Office Depots, your Harbor Freight, your Walmart. I'm a little disappointed that the battery in the old GoPro has died. I neglected to plug it in last time after I was finished using it last time. My fault. And this is Route 17. How about looking? How about looking? Huh? Yeah. That's right. bike. Forgot to mention this. I'm gonna take some video of the bike while I have, because you guys really haven't seen it in the daylight. All you've seen is the tank and, you know, a little picture in the garage. But I added a luggage rack on the back because the bike didn't have one. So I got that. I have in my shopping cart, several shopping carts actually. I've got the brackets for the saddlebags. I've also got the engine guard, got that. I've also got, what else? I know I've got something else. Don't remember. But as you can see, I got my first gear tank bag, which fits perfectly here. I love it. It's empty right now. I got nothing in it, but soon I gotta find, I gotta get stuff to put in it. Oh, this is cool. I like this. So nice to explore. Why do I have the feeling that I'm being led to a dead end? I don't know. Oh, there's a peel off over here to the right. Maybe I'll take it. This is a cool freaking road. Uh-oh, I'm slowing down. No outlet? No! Oh, come on! Seriously? You couldn't have noted that, like, you know, back at the beginning of the road? Oh my God. Seriously? That's disappointing. That's very disappointing.